Welcome everyone to my channel, that is Fast and Easy Maths, which is dedicated to give you tips and tricks related to mathematics. So students, today we are going to solve important quant questions related to the topic of LCM and HCF. Okay. Today I think mostly we are solving only about LCM. Okay. So the questions are quite easy. Only you need to understand how to solve these. Just once you understand the pattern to it, then you can solve all of them very easily. Okay. I have taken two different kinds of questions in this, which are generally asked in most of these exams, such as GMAT, CAT, SAT, ACT, all of that. Okay, so without wasting further time, let's start with the first question. I'm going to start with an easier one just to get all of y'all an idea. Okay, so the thing is, find the smallest number when divided by 7, 12, 21 and 18, which gives you the remainder as 4. Okay, so now understand, you need to do is simple, very simple. You just need to find LCM of 7, 12, 21 and 18. Okay, now students, I have given this trick in previous videos also, but for those of you all who are watching my channel for the first time, see, whenever you have a number, okay, and another number who has a value in this table, matlab 21 is coming in 7th table, then you do not have to consider 7, you just have to consider 21. Okay, then here if I say correctly, I have a common multiple of 6, correct, and if I take 6 outside 12, I am just left with 2. Similarly, if I am taking 6 outside 8, I am left with 3. Okay, so my LCM is now coming out to be 21 into 36. Okay, so now this is going to be my LCM. Now please understand, here is pretty much your sum ending. Okay, you just need to find this value and you need to do some kind of addition and subtraction to get your answer. Okay, so sorry, my bad, you don't have to consider this 3 because this 3 is getting considered in 21. Okay, so to avoid confusion, let's do this one more time. Here if I take 21, then what are the factors of 21, which is 7 and 3. So here this gets reduced by 3. So when you divide 18 by 3, you are getting 6. Okay, 12 also gets reduced by 4. Okay, so now you're basically, what are you going to take common is 2, so then you are left with 2 and 3. So basically then 2 and 3. Okay, if you are getting confused, then you can use the traditional method. This is the method which I generally teach when solving these quant questions. Okay, so here your answer now changes to 21 into 4 into 3, which is 21 into 12, which is going to get you 252. Okay, so now 252 is actually not your answer because you need a remainder of what? 4. So finally your answer will be what? 252 plus 4, which is going to get you 256. Now if you want to check, let's check this. When you divide 256 by 7, what's your answer? This is 3za, so you're left with 4, and this is 6za, and 42 when taken away from 46 gives you remainder of 4. Similarly, you can check for others as well. Okay, now I will solve similar kind of question first, and then we are going to solve a difficult one. Okay, so here the question is, find the smallest number when divided by 6, 9, 12 and 15 gives you the remainder of 3. So over here also, first we take LCM. Okay, and here if I take 3 outside, because see, all these are multiples of 3, so if I take 3 outside, I am left with 2. When 6 divided by 3, you are getting the answer as 2. Similarly, 9 divided by 3, you are getting the answer as 3. 12 divided by 3, you are getting the answer as 4. And 15 divided by 3 will get you the answer as 5. Now we know that 4 comes in the table of 2, so we are going to cancel this. So basically my LCM changes to 3 into 3 into 4 into 5. Okay, so now what is my answer? This is very simple. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 4 is 36. 36 into 5 is going to get you 180. But my answer is going to be 180 plus 3, that is going to be 183. Okay. Students, if you like the way I'm explaining, and please go ahead and hit the like button, because that gives me tremendous amount of encouragement in doing these kind of videos. Also, students, now don't forget, at the end of this video I'm going to push up a DIY and you will let me know your answers in the comment section. Okay. So here the next question is, smallest number when divided by 16, 21 and 18 gives the remainder as 4, 9 and 5. Now this is very interesting. See, first though we will take LCM. We'll take LCM of 16, 21 and 18. Okay. Now we know that what is common between 21 and 18? We have 3 common. So here you will get 3 into 7, and then we have something 18 में से if you take 18, if you divide by 3, you're getting 6 and 16. Okay, so what else you can take common is 3 into 7 into, again you can take 2 common, right? So you're left with again 3, 8. Okay, so basically you are getting 3 into 7 into 2 into 3 again and into 8. Correct? So this is going to get you the answer as nothing but 1008. Okay. Now the problem is that after this you need to add something, but the problem over here is the remainders are all different for each of these numbers. So you just simply have to do what? You need to subtract 16 by the respective remainder, which is 4. Okay, 21 with the respective remainder, which is 9, and 18 by the respective number. Oh, this is supposed to be 6, sorry, which is 6. Okay, so this will get you the answer as 12. Okay, so simply now you just have to subtract 12 from 8 and your final answer will now become 996. Okay, so you saw how easy these kind of sums became, right? So now time for your do it yourself. You have to find the smallest number when divided by 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32 gives remainder as 5. Students, if you have paid attention to the entire video, you will be able to solve this in 1 second. Trust me, you will be able to solve this entire answer in 1 second. Okay, and if you can't, then just go back and see what you have missed. Okay, so that's it for now. I will see you in the next video.